think I was going to get away with not dropping it. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna head back out to Stave Lake. That's where I had that little spin out where the rock kicked the bike out and I went down. I'm gonna see if I can get past that spot today. We've got some good sunny weather. It's not too hot out, so it'll be good for riding. And let's go see where that road goes. All right, let's hit the road. And we're off. I gotta get some gas as usual. I hope the sound's okay. Won't know until I edit, I guess. I lost the little cover that goes on the end of the microphone. So I've jimmy jobbed a little piece of foam over it until I've got some other ones on order. So I went 33K with it flashing on empty. So I don't know how much more I can get. Like I said before, I'm gonna try and one day run it right down and then I'll know exactly how far I can go. But 33 is not bad once it starts flashing. Alright, it took 13 liters, so it's supposed to have a 16-liter tank, so I guess I'd get 3 more liters from 33K, however far that would take me. Alright, next stop, Stave Lake. And here we are, back at Stave Lake. I've had a lot of rain lately, so I suspect the trail will be fairly filled with puddles. As usual, forget to turn the ABS off. Can't even do it in neutral. Have to be at a dead stop. Okay, let's try this again. There's no driving out in the mud today. That's a full lake. Not nearly as wet as I thought. I thought this whole road would be full of puddles, but I haven't even seen one yet. There it is. The scene of the crime from last time. Let's do this. Come on, hold her steady. Ah. Woo. Okay, definitely past the part where the bike spun out, so let's see where this takes us. Yeah, the suspension feels great. Woo! Okay, Holy moly! Looks like it keeps going there. Let's have a little look-see after a quick break. Jeez. I was thinking I was going to get away with not dropping it. Oh, and I'm covered in gas. Great. Ah. Based on this map, this is just a little trail that goes nowhere. The lower road, I guess, is the one that takes us to the end, so turn around and take that one. Can I do this without getting off the bike? Probably not. This is embarrassing. Okay. Oh my God. I'm the worst. Huh? Okay. So we're gonna take the junction down there. It's about 1 kilometer to the end of the road. Huh. I've had this issue before with the quad lock popping off. I think they're gonna get a letter from me, because this definitely shouldn't be happening. You have to pop those in at another time. Yeah, the rubber dampeners. Oh yeah, I'll have to fix that at home. For now, just gonna leave that off. All right. Well, that was some of my steepest, most challenging terrain yet. And I powered through. A couple of drops, not even from riding, just from classic turning around. Well, the drone just crashed up there. And now I got to figure out if I can hike up there and if I can even get to it. I didn't plan on bushwhacking, but I guess that's what I'm doing. Well, back in my tree planting days, I planted through plenty of garbage like this, so this isn't the issue. It's sitting on a ledge, so I don't even know if I can get to it. But I brought the rope rescue stuff, so well, at least we got a good view of the lake. And there's the bike down there. Still gotta try and make my way through that. It's not looking good. The drone's somewhere in there, I think. And I'm getting a bit sketched out about going down any further into this cliff. Okay, because I'm a dummy, I didn't bring the controller with me. I was pretty sure I knew where it was. Didn't see it. So now I gotta come back, get the controller so I can set off the beep. And head back up there. Okay, let's try this again. Oh boy. At least it's not that warm out. Okay, I've connected it, it's beeping, it's there, I can't see it. Now let's see if I can somehow get close there. I don't think I can. Okay, this is super sketchy. Attach some webbing. You see it? Success! And it's got a broken arm. Ah! All that for nothing. Ah. Well, I bought the DJI Care, so this will be my second drone. For crying out loud. Okay. Well, at least I got the battery and the SD card back, so. 12:10. Okay, I gotta get out of here. I'm hungry, hot, and I'll just enjoy the view for another few seconds. I was thinking that I would need that gear to rescue the bike. Turns out it's rescuing me instead. Ugh. I guess I got really lucky that there's no prickly bushes. Okay, we'll have to save the exploration of the campsites for another day when I get the drone back. I'll practice another day. Well, I would have liked to have explored some of the campgrounds today, but we didn't get that chance. We got to do some bushwhacking, unexpected bushwhacking. And successfully located the drone in the sketchiest of places. And tackled some of the steepest, toughest terrain I've done so far. So, not too bad. It'll cost me 50 odd bucks to replace that drone, and then the next one I'll have to buy a new one because I can only get 2 replacements. So I've blown through those. Hope you guys enjoy that. Be sure to like and subscribe.